W with M-R-M-I-K-E.
Ooh. Hi everybody, today we are gonna draw a ghost. Look at this ghost. This isn't very hard for us to draw at all because we can build this ghost with 3 basic lines and shapes. To draw this ghost, all we're gonna need is an arc, a circle, and a U. Let's see how it all fits together. Let's start with the U shape, and we're going to make it an upside down U. Put it right about here on the page. Next, we're going to make an arc here, and it's going to go out to the edge of the paper. And then we're going to do the same thing on the opposite side. Just like that. Now what we're going to do is we're going to create a series of arcs that go all around the ghost. But when they connect, they're going to go opposite. So one will go this way, and then one will go the opposite way. So watch. It'll wind up looking like a wavy line. So one goes this way, and then you connect it, and you go the other way. And now we're going to just keep doing that all the way around. Like that. Finish it off right there and connect it. So now all we have to do are create our circles for eyes. One circle here, another circle here, and then a circle for the mouth so we can go boo. One circle here. Now I'm going to color in these circles like this. Now this is starting to look like a ghost. Now I'm going to show you a technique on how to do an outline with a marker. This marker, the tip comes to a point, so we can use that for creating thick and thin lines. All you need to do is when you retrace your outline, push down and angle your marker so you get a thick line, and then bring it up like this to make a thin line. So if you look on the side view like this, pretend this is the paper, and what I'm doing is I'm taking the marker like this, and then I'm angling it down to make the thick line, and then I'm bringing it back up to make the thin line. So down for thick, and then it's going to hit this wide edge here. And then when you bring it up, it will have a thin line. So you can do that all the way around your drawing. Make thick lines and thin lines. And we're almost done. A little bit more, and we're all done. What does your ghost look like? Boo! Thanks so much for drawing with me today. I'll see you next time. Bye everybody.
For this and other episodes, drawing lessons, activities, and books, please visit drawwithmrmike.com. And don't forget to subscribe to the Draw with Mr. Mike channel on YouTube, Vimeo, and Facebook.
Draw with Mr. Mike. Let's draw with Mr. Mike. D-R-A-W with M-R-M-I-K-E.